1, 2, 3. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright, welcome back to our channel, guys. If you are new to our channel, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe and turn on all your post notifications. That way, whenever we do upload a video, you'll be the first one to know. We are back with Miss Royal here, and we are making more slime. Yeah. So, yesterday we made unicorn slime. Today we're making glow in the dark slime. So
we also have a different brand.
Yeah. So this one seemed a little bit more simpler to make. So we're gonna try this out and let y'all know what we think.
This is the spoon to mix it up.
So that's what we need.
All right. So I already opened the box just so we could kind of like lay everything out. It's by Elmer's. It's the glow in the dark slime kit, and it literally has everything you need. There are two different color 5-ounce bottles of the slime. There's this blue color, and then there's this glow in the dark yellowish color, and then you have the activator, but they call it Elmer's magical liquid. So with the other kit that we used, we had to use water as well. With this kit, all we need is the glue and the magical liquid. We're each gonna take whatever color glue that we want. Poopa, what color do you want? You want that color? Okay. So we're gonna open it, and we're each gonna pour. We're not gonna use any measuring today, but we're each gonna take this and pour it into our little cups. And then we'll go from there. Hold on, y'all.
Squeeze it.
We might. Oh wait, no. I think you gotta. The other one you just. Oh no. Oh no, it's open. Okay.
All right, squeeze it into your cup.
Okay. Oh, bless me. Wow.
Bless us.
All right, so you're gonna squeeze.
Squeeze it.
If it's too hard, you can take the top off.
Squeeze it.
I'm gonna take the top off.
What am I saying?
Well, I was just saying it is a little line.
Right, huh?
It's a little thick, y'all. So we're just gonna take the tops off because, yeah. Be careful.
Mine.
There you go.
Good? You don't.
Okay. That's enough. You wanna do half and half in yours?
Sure.
Mine smells so good. Whoa, okay.
You're gonna stir it, and you'll keep stirring, you'll keep adding until you get the consistency that you want.
Use this spoon, Mama.
I like my slime a little bit thicker. Keep stirring it, boo boo. Good girl. Yep, you're gonna stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. Get that all mixed up.
Glow in the dark is gonna be so slime.
It's gonna be so cool to see this glow in the dark. Keep stirring, keep stirring. So gross.
Yes, it's bubble gum. Oh, it can even stick.
I'm gonna add some more activator to
Like,
mine.
even when I try and get
Hold
it
on,
off my
Royal.
hand, it won't even come off.
Ugh, Royals is squishy.
I does not. I'm so scared for her to pick this stuff up.
Hers is so squishy.
Bro, this is
and
definitely
slimy.
different from yesterday. We're gonna throw this away.
I feel like yesterday's
We
was
won't play
kind of
with this
messy.
long.
Yesterday's was kind of messy too. But at the end, we got it together.
I'm afraid of my slime.
This is glue.
Ew.
Okay, y'all. So now,
Now mine looks like slime.
it's like it almost gotta sit for like
Yeah, here.
3 minutes or something, because now like I can roll it around and it's actually slime. Like it's not gum.
I just added some more.
So here's the slime
activator.
So I just kind of play with it. It's almost like it sets over time or something because look, now I have slime.
No! I got some on my
like
floor.
Rail can play with this. Rail, don't pick that up. I'm gonna mix it up some more, honey. Play with this.
Okay, here we go. This is what I'm talking about. This is better. This is better.
Okay, so I just put more in my hand.
You connect it up.
Hold up, wait, I gotta get it back together.
What the? Mommy, getting dark.
Yeah, see that's slime.
Yeah, this is slime, y'all.
Guys, this is really cool. Wow.
Alright, I'm gonna try and play with rails.
Try to play
Wish
with
me
Mom.
luck. Sorry if y'all can hear the neighbors.
Sorry. Y'all can hear our neighbors. Y'all can hear the neighbors. Mom, look at me.
I can't wait to wash my hands. Is it getting better?
No, feels like booty.
Once best friend can get her consistency together, we have to try this out to see if it will actually glow in the dark.
Look, that's right. Well, mine is so teeny. It's popping.
Maybe squeeze it, yeah. Alright, I'm getting the.
Okay.
Alright.
It's coming together.
Can I feel mine?
Yeah, I gotta mix it some more. Hold on.
Oh, that's not bad though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Came a long way. Y'all should have felt. I wish I could feel how it felt.
Ow, ow, ow.
Alright,
Got
here
it.
go rails.
Turn light on. Let's take a picture.
Y'all be watching our videos, but y'all don't be subscribing. And I don't be
Wow.
understanding. So
Dang, y'all, the least y'all can do is like and subscribe.
Exactly.
Especially if you're gonna sit up here and watch it.
like dang.
Come on now.
Come on, Bones.
What you say?
What?
Bones.
I don't know what that was.
Whatever Rail said.
But
But thank you guys.
Thank you for watching our channel.
thanks guys.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back.
Thanks them.
Oh, okay. Bye.
Now we gotta do it all over again.
Just everybody on 3 say bye. 1, 2, 3.
Bye.